Hey guys, so at this point you are done with your do now. You know what our daily objective is. We're going to be trying to find the exact sentence. And you're on to the backside with our video notes. So the first thing you're going to be looking at is thinking, what is the essential question that you should know by the end of class? And we're going to do kind of a question-based, inquiry-based approach for this. You're going to be figuring this out yourself by the end of class. So what I want you to be able to figure out, our question is, where will our central idea statement usually be in a nonfiction article? Okay, where will our central idea statement usually be in a nonfiction article? So you're going to have to think, is it the beginning, the middle, the end? Once you kind of go that broad, think, is it the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, the beginning of the sentence, beginning of the paragraph, end of the paragraph? This is what you're going to be looking at. Okay? So there's two different types of central idea. The first is explicit, where the author tells you the main idea. The second is implicit, where you have to infer and figure out the main idea without the author telling it to you. Okay? So explicit means they give it to you, they tell you exactly what the central idea is. Implicit means you have to kind of figure it out. The two most common types of author's purpose for nonfiction, this is from our do now. The first is going to be to inform. The second is going to be to persuade. Okay, the one that's not really going to be used is entertain. Okay, authors are going to write things because they want to give you information or because they want to convince you that what they think is true using facts to prove it. So why is the central idea almost always going to be explicit? Well, thinking of this, they're not trying to entertain you. They're not trying to give you a mental workout. They have a definite purpose for writing, and they want you to agree with them by the end of it. They want you to have learned exactly what you're trying to learn by the end of it. Think of it like the way that we run class, right? I give you exactly what you're supposed to learn. I make it explicit. And then I hope that that helps you to learn it. If you know what you're supposed to be learning, then I hope that it makes it easier to learn. Same thing when you read a nonfiction article. The author isn't trying to make this tricky. They want you to get the information. They want you to learn what they're trying to get you to learn. So they're going to make it explicit. They're going to make it very clear what they want you to learn. Now your job for the rest of the class is going to be trying to find exactly where this explicit central idea statement is going to be. Because like we just said, almost all nonfiction articles will have an explicit main idea somewhere. You just have to find exactly where and pick up on the pattern of where authors usually include this statement. Okay, so to figure this out, we're going to be looking at a couple different articles. So the first one you'll be looking at is herd behavior. And we're going to do this as a whole class. So if you finish this video early, then you can start reading this so that you're ready to annotate the text and talk about it when we are done.